My name is John Barker, aka your grandma's favorite pitmaster, aka the smoke daddy himself, and today you are in the Skull and Mortar kitchen. I've got my flyest vintage Hawaiian shirt on because we're going to take to the seas and do some heavily requested seafood for the first time ever. On this channel we are doing barbecue shrimp. Guys, let's get right to it. We're going to take this skylight pan, which you might recognize from a previous video. We're going to go ahead and get this bad boy heated up. I'm going to throw it on 400. That's probably a mistake that I'll regret later. But, you know, I really like this pan, and I think that I'm going to give you guys one for free here on YouTube and one on Instagram later. So hang into the end of the video so we can talk about that. So I'm going to get some Kerrygold butter because Kerrygold's my favorite. I just think it's a better butter. You can use any butter, but I'd use good. Go ahead and throw it down in the pan here. Let that kind of slide around and melt down. Try not to burn the butter. I probably will because, you know, that's how I get down. We're going to smash up 3 garlic cloves here. And then we want it really, you know, smashed up good. So we're going to throw it in the presser. Scrape that off there. Do it however you want. Who cares? Chop it, press it. I'm going to press it. That's what you should do too. It's really the best option for what we're doing here. Really allow it to integrate with and mingle with that butter. Now, what tastes good with seafood? Of course, a little bit of lemon. So we're going to take 1 lemon and we're just going to squeeze all the juice in there. Get it real juicy, a real savory, real delicious. And now we're going to take about 1/2 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. Let that get in there, and of course, you know we got to use that Skull and Mortar barbecue rub, skullandmortar.com. Check it out, and we're just going to kind of let that, you know, toss around in the pan a little bit, let everything get melted and blended together. The Skull and Mortar rub is great because it has sugar, it has spice, it has pepper, it has all kinds of stuff. So we're going to add more butter here because I want more, and then we're just going to throw in our shrimp. I would recommend that you use non-peeled raw shrimp, but I couldn't find any, so I just took what I could get here. If you're going to non-peel raw shrimp it's going to take a little longer to cook, but give it some time here to kind of marinate and get those sauces over. We got the heat off now, and we're just like kind of letting the sauces get in here and get covered. I'm taking way too long to do this for some reason. I'm having a great time, really. Guys, now that we have our butter melted, we're going to go ahead and pop this handle off. And again, we got our smoker at 225 degrees. I'm going to let this roll for about 45 minutes and I'm going to check it. I think since the shrimp's already cooked that it's going to take about an hour or so on the smoker. Because again, we're trying to get some smoke flavor. We're trying to heat it up, but we're not trying to cook it. We don't want to burn it. We don't want it to get rubbery and weird. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this, throw it in the smoker, and I'll check back with you. What's up, baby? Take me to dinner. Now guys, we have our shrimp right in on the smoker here. It's looking pretty good so far. Check it out. That's what we're looking for. You can see that smoke reaction there in the butter. This looks delicious. I'm going to go ahead and pull it. We're going to get it into the table. Guys, so you've seen our shrimp. It is bussin', as the kids say. And we're almost done with it. But what's the last step? We got that new Pineapple Express straight off of skullandmortar.com. It's our brand new hot sauce, limited edition label. Once this label is gone, you'll never be able to get it again. It's delicious. It's pineapple, it's heat, it's good stuff. Those wind chimes are chiming, and we're just gonna drop a little bit of this in here. Do as much as you want of whatever hot sauce you like, depending on how spicy you like it. You can see we got that thick, good over here. This ain't no cheap, crappy sauce. Then we're gonna take this. We're just gonna mix that around. We're gonna move it around, get it kind of spread throughout so we get that fruit, that heat. And then guys, there's nothing left to do but to plate it and to eat it. We just got some brown rice here. You can use whatever you want as your side. I feel like brown rice really pops with this. I just cooked in a rice cooker. If you need me to tell you how to use a rice cooker, there are probably issues with your cooking that I can't help you with. ton of shrimp, guys. That looks delicious, right? But we're not quite done yet because we gotta plate this stuff up. Guys, there's only one thing left to do, and that is to try this delectable treat we got right here. Use chopsticks, a fork, whatever. I'm pretty bougie. Don't eat the tail. But other than that, fantastic. You can taste the smoke, you can taste the rub, you can taste the pineapple and the little bit of hot sauce to it, the citrus. It's just a great mix. And again, look at this rice. Bussin', dude. Oh, damn. Drop it on the ground. Get a rice cooker. Have some culture and some class. It's fire. If you're looking for an easy seafood dish and you want to talk while your mouth is full, you know what to do. Try this. It's good. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Just a quick, easy recipe. This video is going to be short. It's going to be quick. But if you're looking for a bussin' recipe to throw out in there from time to time, something to change it up so it's not just the same old barbecue, if you want to think outside the box, this recipe is something you should consider. If you learned something, if you enjoyed this recipe, head over to skullandmortar.com. We got 3 new products. We got this bad boy, the Pineapple Express. We got the Heartbreaker hot sauce. We got the Stone Ground Mustard, the Cthulhu brand. We got the old favorites. We got Skull and Mortar Rub back in the 1-pounders. We got the God Save the Queen, the sauces. We got Resurrect the Dead shirts. We got the old logo shirts. We got all kinds of stuff. Skullandmortar.com. Every bit goes directly to help supporting this channel so I can cook cooler things for you. So, appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for helping us hit for. Oh, yeah, you probably wanted some free pans. All you got to do is comment below, like the video, be a subscriber. We're going to give one away here. We're going to give another one away on Instagram. So go over to Skull and Mortar on Instagram. Go ahead and throw me a little follow there. And comment on one of my pictures for this video, maybe. Do it for this video. That way it'll be easier for me to figure it out. Oh yeah, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great week. Skullandmortar.com. Terry's mom's still a hoe. Have a good day. Love you. I'm going to eat another shrimp. I still don't know when to quit talking. God, those are good.